Hello students, welcome to my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chivte. So in this video, you are going to see the MCQs that are multiple choice questions on the topic solid dosage forms powders from the pharmaceutics 2 subject. This video is only 5 to 6 minutes length. Observe with it concentration and you will get definitely benefited. So sit calm and quiet and observe with the concentration. Dash of powder plays an important role in the physical, chemical and biological properties of the dosage form. And the options are particle size, particle shape, density or wetting property. And the correct answer is in the physical, chemical and biological properties, particle size of the powder plays a very important role. So particle size is very important. Powders are one of the dash dosage form and are used both internally and externally. So powders are used internally and externally. The options are it is a recent dosage form, oldest dosage form, safest dosage form or a novel dosage form. And the correct answer is yes, it is the oldest dosage form that is used both internally and externally. Powders may be mixed by one of the following methods except, so there are various methods of mixing of powders and the options are spatulation, tumbling, granulation or by sifting. And the correct option is yes, except granulation. All the options mentioned here were used to mix the powders except granulation. Dash method is used with potent substances are to be mixed with large amount of diluent. When you want to mix the potent substances with a large amount of diluent, the method used is, and the options are spatulation, tumbling, sifting or geometric dilution. And the correct option or the answer is yes, geometric dilution. When you want to mix the potent substances with a large amount of diluent, the geometric dilution method is used. Bulk powders which are commonly used for the external applications are as follows except, so bulk powders except cachets, dusting powders, snuffs or yes, dentifrices. And the correct option is except cachets. All other were used for external applications as a bulk powder. Cachets are also known as dash type of capsules. Yes, soft gelatin, wafer capsule, hard gelatin or rice capsule. And the correct option is cachets are also known as yes, wafer capsule. They are made from the rice flour. Cachets are molded from dash paper. The options are wheat paper, brown paper, rice paper or gelatin paper. Yes, cachets are molded from rice paper. Molded tablets are also called as, and the options are compound tablets, cachets, pills or tablet triturates. And the correct option is Yes, molded tablets are also called as tablet triturates. Effervescent granules are prepared by which method? There are different methods to prepare the effervescent granules. Out of them, which one is the correct option? Heat method, hot method, dry method, or dilution method? And the correct option is yes, heat method. Effervescent granules are prepared by heat method. Which drugs are not suitable for dispensing in the form of powders? The options are potent drugs, deliquescent drugs, hydrophilic drugs, or volatile drugs. Yes, and the option is, or the correct answer is, deliquescent drugs are not suitable for dispensing in the form of powders because they form a liquid when they are mixed at the room temperature. Which instructions are required on the labels of the powder for dusting powders? So when you are dispensing the dusting powders, the label should have the requirement that for external use only, shake well before use, for external use only, or none of these. So when you are dispensing the dusting powders, the label should have for external use only. This direction should be mentioned. Dash substances absorb the moisture from the atmosphere and turn to liquid form. And the options are hygroscopic, hydrophilic, none of these, or deliquescent. Yes, and the option is deliquescent substances absorb moisture from the atmosphere and turn to liquid form. None of these are the unit solid dosage forms of drugs in which drug is enclosed in a tasteless sheet. Yes, tablets, pills, capsules, yes, cachets. And the cachets are the unit solid dosage forms of the drugs in which drug is enclosed in a tasteless sheet. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chivte for such kind of updated videos. Thank you.